YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We shall see what's inside. Got beat up. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Alright. GNCC. Smart plug time. Everyone knows how to use these. They'll have an app to download. And you can program with Alexa and Google. Smart plug. Got a 4-pack here. Download the app. It's called OSAIO. Android, Google Play. And ooh, these are nice ones. 4-pack. I'm gonna grab the tablet, download the app, be right back. And this is what the app looks like. Osawa. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but you guys can click the link and then find out. This should take a second to download. Here we go, it's moving. There it goes, it's moving. Give it a few, give it a few. Then we'll be through. It's all good. Here we go. You're going to probably have to log in with your email. Then they'll send you a confirmation code. And then you're going to have to activate the account. And then once that's done, you can mess around with the features. And I'll show you what the features are in a second. My internet is working great today, so it just takes a second to download. Everything's good. So they got a lot of other smart devices. So just click the link. Like I said, if you need some plugs, definitely try these out. We got the holidays, perfect for Christmas trees, Christmas ornaments. And I don't think they're outdoors, so I think it's only indoor. Let me double check. There's easy mode. Okay, there we go. Alright, it's open. So turn the white screen. Give it a second. Let that load up. And then there we go. See, it's going to go to terms and conditions, all that good stuff. Hit agree. And start. Yeah, see, you're going to have to sign up. This is going to ask you for verification code and USA and your email address. Hopefully it's not too much spammy, but should be good. Send. Alright, I'm going to pause you guys because I got to go through my email and grab it. Alright guys, once you register it, they have different options you can do. There's plugs. I think we're going to do Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi. I got to plug it in. Here's a power button right there. Right there. See, they both look the same. We'll do Wi-Fi. Because like I said, I got a good Wi-Fi going now. Let me plug her into the socket. Right over here. Here we go. There we go. It's lighting blue.